Welcome to DAV Police Public School, Police Line, Panipat, Class 6, Science, Chapter 2, Food Lecture First. Let's start Chapter 2. The name of the Chapter 2, Food. So, what is food? Food is a nutritious substance that people or animal eat or drink or that plant absorb in order to maintain life and growth. It is essential for all living organisms. So why we consume the food beta? Because it provide nutritional value to all living organism. So what is nutritional value? The value that we get from the nutrients that is naturally present in the food. So what are the name of that nutrients? That are carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins or minerals. And food also contains small amounts of the fiber or roughage, and we study details about all these in chapter. So what are the uses of the food in our body? For energy, it provides the energy needed by the living things to do the various work or activity. For the growth, for good health, keep us fit. It also protects us from different diseases, help to build and maintain the body cell, and it also help for wound healing. Now the question arises that from where we get the food. In the previous chapter, you learned about the process of photosynthesis. By that process, plants make their own food, and animals and human beings are dependent on plant for their food. So mainly there are two main sources of the food. First one are plants and second animals. Now, ready for the activity? In this activity, some food items shown from the different sources. Their origin may be either plants or an animal. So, try to sort out the above listed food items into two groups. Food from the plants and food from animals. Record your conclusion in a tabular form. Now, we study detail plant sources as a food. So plants make their own food by utilizing the energy of the sun. ये बात सभी को पता है. Food is prepared by the leaf of the green plants, and it is then stored in the different parts of the plant, and that different parts are eaten by us. The parts of the plants as a sources of food, like we eat the plants roots also. Some roots also eaten by us as a food. What are that? Carrot, turnip or radish. And some plant stems used as a food, like potato, coriander or sugarcane. And some plants leaves also use as a food. कुछ plants की पत्तियों को भी हम food के रूप में खाते हैं, जैसे spinach, cabbage and onion. Some plants flower also used as food, cauliflower and many more. And some fruits on plants also use as food. So fruits used as vegetable like brinjal, tomato, beans or the gourd. And it also taken in another form, that is pulpy fruit. Pulpy fruit or the dry fruits. In the pulpy fruit contain grapes, banana and apple. And in the dry fruits, almond, cashew nut and many nuts. And some seeds also used as food in the form of cereals or pulses. Mainly the plant sources divided into the 5 categories. Cereals जिनको हम grain कहते हैं, pulses, fruits, vegetable, oil and spices. So we discuss one by one. So now study about the cereals, grains जिनको हम अनाज भी कहते हैं. तो like cereal grains like wheat, rice, maize, millet are important sources of energy. They constitute the major component of our food. Basically they call the energy giving food. So next is your pulses. So pulses are the main sources of protein, like green gram, मूंग जिसको हिंदी में हम मूंग बोलते हैं, ग्राम, चना, ब्लैक ग्राम, उड़द, किडनी बीन, राजमा जिसको हम कहते हैं, स्प्लिट रिम, अरहर, स्प्लिट रेड ग्राम, अरहर की दाल भी बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में, रेड लेंटिल and soya bean are the some important sources of protein in our diet. So today go to your kitchen and ask your mama to show you all these pulses. Next sources as a food from plants are fruits. Fruits like mango, apple, banana, orange, watermelon and melon are the good sources of nutrients. Basically they call the protective food. और मुझे तो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं fruit. You also ना? Very nice. Next plant sources are green leafy vegetable. In this picture you see fenugreek, जिसको हिंदी में मेथी भी कहते हैं, mustard and the radish. These all are the green leafy vegetable. Many other vegetables like radish, ladyfinger, turnip, carrot, brinjal and potato all are obtained from plants. Here are some vegetable. Next is oil. Oils are obtained from plants and are the sources of fats. We use different types of the oil like mustard oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, sunflower oil to cook our food. We can't eat all vegetable raw, so we need to cook them with the help of the oil to make it delicious. Last one is your spices. They also obtain from the plants and it gives flavors to our food and make it very tasty. So we use different type of the spices to make it very delicious like cumin, turmeric, black pepper, cardamom, chili, carom seeds and clove. Next sources of foods are animals. So animals are also important sources of our food. We get the following food items from animals like milk, meat, egg, honey, etc. So discuss one by one. First is your milk. Milk is considered a complete food because it contains almost all nutrients in appropriate amount. And from where we get this milk? From the milch animal like your cows, buffalo, goats and camel also give us milk but in a less quantity. So milk is a nutrient rich white liquid fluid produced by the mammary gland of the animals, and all of you enjoy fresh cold milk, ice cream very much. So all these products got from milk. I also like ice cream cassata very much. Next source of the food is your meat. So meat is a animal flesh that is eaten as a food. It is of two type, red meat or the white meat. Example are fish, goat, sheep, pig, chicken are the important source of food. Prawns, crabs and shrimps constitute as the sea food. All these are the good sources of protein. So those are the non-vegetarian, they use a meat as a food. Next is your egg. Hen, duck and fowl lay egg. These birds are known as the poultry birds. These eggs are a rich source of the proteins and vitamins and are eaten by many of us. These are milch animal and from these we got the milk. These are poultry birds, they lay eggs. Get ready for activity 2. Write down the name of your favorite foods and mention the nutrients present in them. Write them in a tabular form, and these both activity 1 and 2 are your homework. The motivation for today is the harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. So be ambitious and hardworking, beta. Goodbye and have a great day.